I tell you a story. When I went to undergrad, I told you I was doing a dual degree, engineering degree,
Econ.
and a econ degree, and so I did not have any time, right? I just lived in this little bubble, and between that and just having fun at college, and so I never really started to invest until I went to BlackRock, right? And the reason I'm telling this story is because I remember the first day I walked onto the trading floor at BlackRock, and I had never seen anything like it. Right? I mean, there was like 100 people at their desks, each of them with at least four screens. Right? It looked like the Starship Enterprise. It's like circular and everything, and I'm just like, this is amazing, and everybody is trading, and I thought to myself, oh my gosh, um, look at all of these people spending all of this time
Money.
trying to analyze stocks, to try to make the right decisions,
Yeah. Yeah.
to try and create value. And so it actually made me pull back on how I thought about investing, right? Because I was like, oh my God, there are all of these experts. I'm not an expert. And so here's how I looked at things, right? And this was the same example I kind of gave you about, the supermarket and the supermarket shelves. I invest in companies that I see, feel, and touch. I invest in companies that make me feel good as a customer. Okay. I invest in companies that I believe offer services that make the world, our products, make the world a better place, right? Because at the end of the day, like those companies, I believe will transform how we operate, and then will become a part of the fabric of society, right? And so I've been a long-standing Apple shareholder, okay, because I just I love their products, right? I'm on my Apple device now, and so I I just tell you that because it's less important what the company was, and more important, how I feel with the connection with the business, and so I think that taking that approach allows anybody to become an investor. You don't need to. I mean, it's helpful if you understand PE multiples, and if you understand, like, dividend yields and total return and all of these things. It's really helpful if you understand that. But at the end of the day, if it's also helpful if you understand what a company does, and if you think they're going to be better off tomorrow than they are today.